If you want to download photos and videos from your Google Drive to iPhone, just follow these quick steps to do it. Open your Google Drive app and tap on this three dot. Tap on Open in. Tap on Save to Files and select a folder to save the photo or video, and tap on Save at the top right. Then go to your Files app and search for the photo or video you just saved. Here we can see. And to save the photo or video to your Photos app, open the photo or video, tap on the Share option at the bottom left, tap on Save Image, go to your Photos app, and here you will get the photo or video. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. See you in the next video.